Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can see on the title, I'll be role-playing whatever that says. Anyways, let's get into the video because I'm too lazy to introduce. So, yeah. Wait, I'm just gonna introduce one time. So, this is her bestie. If you are confused who she is, this is her bestie. Wait, was her name Leah? I think her name was Leah. Wait, no. Her name was Lana. This is Leah. So yeah. So. Bestie, I'm done. Okay. Already got the sleepy. Wait. Already got these things ready. Okay. Wait, let me change my clothes. Oopsie. Okay. Let me just fix that. Let's go. What do you want to watch? Of course, the horror movie. You talked about it. Oh yeah, I'm so dumb. Okay. Wait. Where's the stupid food? Food. Everybody loves food, right? Okay, use it. I want the snake. I want this one because this is my usual one. Okay, let's... Oh, I didn't ask to sleep. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, oh my god, I'm so nervous. Me too, bestie. What if there's a killing scene? What if Jeffrey Dahmer dies? Who's Jeffrey Dahmer? In the movie. Oh. Oh my god. Ah! It's been already it's seriously like introducing us to the movie, and we already saw the killing thing. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh my god. Wait, they eat. I think it's time to sleep. I don't think you can sleep. It's okay. Let's just hug each other. Yeah. Not in the dating way, but like in the bestie way. You know? Ow. Stop coming to my daughter's face. I forgot the cabinet. Oh my god, bestie, why did you move these chairs here? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, let's turn off the TV. Okay, you can have the egg. I can have this. I'm gonna use this. Okay, good night. Good night. They sleep. Pretend it's like foggy and, you know, like a storm edition. Okay. Bestie, it's time to wake up. Okay. Huh. Wait. Wait a minute. Okay, sorry. My phone has some... Wait. Okay. Bestie, last night was so fun. Yeah, it was. Okay, let's go. Who will cook? So, a big storm sound, boom. Wait. What was that? I don't know, bestie, but I'm scared. Wait, what if it's just the rain? No. Wait, rain is like medium, but this one is big. Of course they come in different ways. But no. Boom. What the? Boom. What the hell? Oh my god. The news came on. Breaking news, everybody. There is a oh my god. Breaking news, everybody. We should sit down, bestie. Breaking news, everybody. Outside has a big storm coming. If you have a shelter or if you don't, just hide in your basement. But if you have a shelter, hide in there right now. Boom, boom. Oh my god, let me see. It's so foggy. We should pack all our stuff. Yeah. Just gonna use this because it's, how about you? Let me see. Should we take a shower first? Not now. Okay. Can I borrow your jacket? Sure. Just hurry up. Oh my god. We need this for food cravings. And, this. That's my bag for school. And I'm just gonna bring my wallet. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Same. So these are my bags. Okay then, these are mine. Oh my god, I'm so scared right now. What if people out there is not okay? I know, right? I'm so scared. So we shouldn't go outside often. I think we can still get some food. Right? I don't think so. I'm just gonna use this one because those are my fave PJs and I don't want them to be dirty. Oh my god. Okay, bestie, I think I'm done with this one. I'm gonna go pack the food. Wait, I forgot. What the hell is this? Whatever. Okay, get the towels. Wait, no, we're not gonna shower there because of course we can't. Okay, pretend there's a shield on it so it doesn't get, Okay, our brushes. Okay, our brushes. Okay, these are checked. I'm so scared, bestie. Same. Okay, we gotta hurry up and use these. Get a water bottle. Water bottle. What's next? Okay. I need the laptop. I need this coffee bottle. No, I don't need coffee. Oh my god, I need another bottle. Should we save the same bottle? It's okay, I can buy a water bottle. Because I drive like Lightning McQueen down those highways. Slay. Okay, not the time right now. Okay, where should we put Pookie? I don't know. Get a plate. Oh my god, this is so scary. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh my god. I'm gonna pack this. I'm gonna pack my eggie. Oh my god. Let's see if this fits. Okay. Just put it in there. I don't need that. What should we have? What should we bring? Oh my god. Boom. It's getting louder each time. We gotta hurry up. Okay, I'm done. Pookie, it's time. Is Pookie gonna be safe here alone? I don't think so. Let's just bring her. Okay, Pookie, just stay still in there. I'll bring your ball. Oh my god. This is so scary. Oh my god. Okay, let's go now. Wait, do you have a shelter? No. Do you have a basement? No. Why don't you have a basement? Wait, should we go to your house? No. My house is like far away. Okay, fine. Do you have a shelter? No, I only have a basement. Okay, then let's go hide in there. Where's the basement? It's right up here. All I have to do is just climb here. Climb up, up. Wait! Climb up, up. Oh yeah, I forgot. Wait, no, we don't need that umbrella. Ah! This is so sad. I'm so scared. Oh my god, I forgot to bring my phone. Well, my phone is like useless as a, cause you can just like. Wait a minute. Oh, whatever. Who put this skateboard here? This, whatever. Okay, let's just clean this place up. Bestie, are you coming down or what? Okay, but please hold my bags. I'm scared. Fine. She drops. 1. She drops her bag again. 2. Okay, done. Okay, I'm coming down now. Come down. Whee! Wait. Whee! This is so much fun. Okay, that's not the time right now. Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay. Let's just throw away these so we can put our stuff. Okay, and then our clothes. Oh, why did I have this in my basement? Okay. Let's just throw this away. They throw away. Okay. Okay, and then the sloth thingy-majiggy. Okay. Okay, now this place is clean. We can put our stuff now. Okay. Your stuff is at the bottom, okay? Okay. Since you're short. I'm not short! Whatever. Anyways. Okay, those are all your clothes. Okay, your stuff's over here. Okay. Oh, girl. Okay, and then your sleeping bag. And let's just bring Pookie out so she can breathe. How long have you been holding your breath there, Pookie? Okay, then use that. My wallet. Aw, why did you get to bring your wallet? Wait, I'll just put it in the back. Because I'm older? Girl, we're the same age. I don't care. Wait, no. Okay. Sir, clothes. I think we can just take a shower in here. Of course. Not. Okay, the drink. These. Oh yeah, the brush. Oh yeah, and then the plates. Plates, I said. Oh no, I command you to speak. Speak, I mean. Not schmeek, smack talk. I got it. So I'm just gonna put the plates up here. This is yours. Just gonna do that. Forgot about this. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Done. Wait, no. You have a plate. This is your plate, okay? We're just gonna put it right there so it doesn't get dirty. Okay. Okay, Pookie, we're here. And I think we're just gonna chill for a bit, you know. Having the storm outside. Very creepy. Okay, I think our place looks very good. This will be good. Cookie, you can play with your ball, okay? Great, I forgot to bring my device. Well, it's getting kind of late. And yeah. Pretend there's a TV there. Okay. Look, there's another news. Hello, everybody. Good news. The storm is ending tomorrow, but there's a big tornado going. Wait. There's a big tornado going on part 2. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna make a part 2 about the tornado. Anyways, I'm like tired, so like. What? Yay, I'm so happy about the first one, but the second one made us sad again. Anyways, it's getting late, bestie. We should go to sleep. Can I sleep here too? Why? Because that one has no comfiness. Okay. Okay, Pookie, you can sleep on top of the shelf or something. I don't know. Girl, these are my clothes. These are too. Girl, you didn't bring any clothes. Yes. Oh my god, I hate you so much. It's not my fault. Whatever, I'm just gonna put some of my clothes next to you because it can fit now. Okay, girl, we should change it to PJs. I'm just gonna change it to my PJs. Girl, remember to get that back. Okay. Oh man, this is so scary. Ah, the storm. Storm, go away. Come and have another day. If you don't, I won't be sad. But I'm just gonna cry in my room. Okay, anyways. Let's just sleep. Good night, bestie. Good night. They sleep. Hee hee. Talk. Bestie, who's on the door? You can go get it. Okay. Can you please follow me? I'm scared it's gonna be like a stranger or something. I'm just gonna use my accessory and we're just gonna open. Oh, hello, little girl. Happy Halloween and trick or treat. Can you give me some candy, please? It's not Halloween. Halloween is like on October, and we're on April 4. On April 4. Not on October. But October is my birthday. My real birthday. So, yeah. Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something. Wait. Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. If you won't, I won't be sad. I'll just make you wish I had. Ah! Oh my god, here's the candy! Here's the candy! Oh my god, that was so scary! I should go to bed now. I think the little girl is crying. I don't think she's crying. She's getting vaccinated. I think. Anyways, let's just sleep. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay, anyways, let's just sleep. Okay, guys, thank you for watching my videos. And make sure to hit that like button and comment. Yas. And if you see that red button down there, click it, or else I'm gonna hit you with the bat at 3 a.m. So, anyways, this is all for today, and part 2 is coming soon. Wait, not like that soon, like not that long, but like tomorrow. Okay. Ugh. Okay, so the big tornado is coming tomorrow. And I hope you guys watch my videos more, or else I'm gonna kill you. And you can hear the trick or treat thingy, the trick or treat song from the little girl. If you want to hear it again, you can just rewind the video. Okay, guys, I'm tired. Goodbye. I'm gonna watch short.